I've been waiting on these. Yeah. Yeah, you now rocking with Rips Whips. Man, got them tail lights in. Tail lights from the M4. Yeah, I'm finna put them on the 3. Yeah. New headlights for the 3 Series. These what they call them, the GTS. I guess they come out the M4 originally. And they blacked out already. About to get busy with that. I'm change these out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, tools out. Ready to go to work. Man, so I got them joints installed. Watch, check this out, check this out, check this out. Problem. Man, that look so hard, man, so hard. Shout out to BC Racing. I got my coilovers in. Ooh. But with this thing sitting down, man, this thing gonna squat on y'all, boy. It's gonna look so crazy, believe me. Get low, get low, get low. All of that, you feel me? We gotta close this gap up right here. Bring her down to about right there somewhere. Yeah. About to make that trip. Go ahead and get these coilovers put on. Head to Eurofed, man. Yeah, we're gonna go to Eurofed, get that thing. Get this beauty drop. Yeah, man. I've been waiting for this for a little minute, man. Well, it's just that time. Whoa, that. She get meaner and meaner every day. Shout out to Eurofed, you know what I'm saying? They hook your boy up. I got them in, slid up there to Eurofed in Atlanta. Woo! They got that thing looking crazy, boy. Looking crazy, my guy. Look, whip game. This crazy, yo. You hear me? Yeah, so. Yeah, shout out to them boys up there at Eurofed, you know what I'm saying, Atlanta. One thing about all this car stuff, man, you know, when you fixing up your whip, man, it takes a little bit of time, you know, to get it just like you want it, you know what I'm saying? But you know, respect whatever level you at with this, you know what I mean? Like, everybody started from one place, you know what I mean? So if you just did your first little upgrade, man, be happy with it, man. You know what I'm saying? Keep working towards whatever you're trying to do, you know? Because believe me, you'll get to the point where you got everything you want, you know? And you'll be running. And you'll love it. You know what I'm saying? This is interesting to me. I never really just been a guy that like to fix on my cars. I send them all to get done and all this and that, you know, but I just like, man, a lot of this shit ain't that hard that I'm trying to do, you know, for his upgrades and things, you know, and it get a little more difficult now. I know where I need to stop, you know what I mean? But I mean, I got this thing running nice, man.